Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into a popular question, that is a FragranceNet.com legit? So if you have ever searched for any designer fragrances online, chances are you have come across FragranceNet, which is a website that sells perfumes, skincares and more, often at huge discounts as compared to the retail stores. But the thing here is that with prices that low, people naturally wonder, is the website too good to be true? Are the products authentic? And how fast is the shipping? And what's the catch here? So in this video, I will break down everything that you need to know before buying from FragranceNet. We will look at what they sell, how legit their service is, and the most common experiences from the real customers, both good and bad. So if you are considering buying from them, make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps here. Now before proceeding into this video, make sure to check out the links of all the resources that are mentioned here down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So this is the FragranceNet.com website. As I said earlier, this website is US based online retailer that's been around since 1997. They actually sell the discounted fragrances from the big brands like Dior, Chanel, Versace, etc. If you just scroll down, you will also find some of the skincare, makeup and hair care products as well. You will get the gift sets and testers as well. They claim to offer 100% authentic product, no knockoffs or any limitations. It is not a fly-by-night operation, and they have been operating for over 25 years and have fulfilled millions of orders worldwide. So the next question would be, are the products actually real? So the short answer here is yes, mostly. FragranceNet sources its product through the third-party distributors and not directly from the brands. This is how they are able to offer the discounts of up to 70% off retail prices. Most of the verified buyers say that the fragrances smell exactly like the originals. You can find the ratings and reviews on Trustpilot. The packaging is authentic according to some people, and some of them also said that the longevity and the scent performance are also what they have expected from a genuine product. However, the small number of buyers, if you just come over here and click on the one option, you will see that some of the buyers found their product was damaged, ordered not fresh stock, and confused between the tester bottles and full retail packaging. So to avoid any surprises, always make sure to check the product description carefully. Now if we talk about the shipping and the returns here, so FragranceNet ships within US and to many international locations. If we talk about the US orders, that usually arrives within 5 to 8 business days, and express shipping is also available. They also provide tracking and packages that are discreet and well packaged. If we talk about the returns, so yes, returns are also accepted here, but only for the unused item. You may also have to pay the return shipping. There are many users that say that the customer service is okay but not the fastest, so you need to be patient if you are seeking any help regarding any refund or any replacement. So the final question, that is actually FragranceNet legit? So yes, the company is absolutely real. The product are mostly authentic and you can save a lot of money here. Just make sure you read the product details, understand the difference between the testers and the sealed items, and manage your expectations on shipping. So if you have shopped from FragranceNet before, let me know your experience in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for most honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.